What's going on, guys? This is David, and today we're going to do a review of the Vertx Transit Sling 2.0. I originally got this bag to replace my VanQuest IBEX bag that I was using as a bug out bag, everyday carry bag. I wanted to go smaller, and this was the perfect solution for everything I need. I've had a Vertx bag in the past, so I knew the quality. I've seen a lot of reviews online about this particular bag, and it had really good reviews. And also it's very Ccw friendly, which I like. Speaking specifically to the Ccw compatibility, I no longer work at a gun store, so I no longer carry on my body every day. So I wanted to have something I could carry off body, and this bag fits the bill nicely. Today we have two colorways of the Vertx Transit Sling 2.0. Oh, whew. Today we have two different colorways of the Vertx Transit Sling 2.0 that we're going to take a look at. Let's go inside. So the cool thing about this bag is the front pocket has a quick access panel. And in here I store a med kit, which we can do another video on, but that is a full trauma kit ready for gunshots and stuff like that. The specs on this particular bag are as follows. It's the Heather Black and Mars Red. The outside dimensions are 16.5 by 10.5 by 4 3/4. And it weighs 2.7 pounds. In the main compartments, I keep a number of items. In this pocket, I keep a Baofeng radio, a Goal Zero cell phone charger, a Leatherman skeleton tool, a Streamlight MicroStream USB, a Meridian self-defense tool, and a Weight Raid carabiner. And the rear pocket is where I keep my Ccw. In the Ccw pocket, I keep my Glock 19 Gen 5, spare mags, both in VanQuest holsters. Looking on the back, there's a 3D molded foam panel designed to increase airflow and even has loops for your rolling luggage. The cool thing about this strap is not only does it have 2 points of quick disconnect, it also has loops so you can attach stuff like carabiners with keys or anything you want, maybe some hand sanitizer. This bag in the black on black colorway is more of an EDC bag. We don't keep anything in this front pocket. In the main compartment of this one, we keep an iPad Pro, the Streamlight MicroStream USB, the Benchmade bug out, and the Leatherman skeleton tool. Buckle up for safety. In the Ccw pocket on this one, we've got the Faxon Hellfire with 2 spare mags held in with Maxpedition Velcro holsters. Also, a word of note that both bags have a lighter color interiors to make finding your stuff easier in the dark. This one has a tan, and the red and black one has a gray interior. Hydrate. So the really cool thing about the Vertx Transit Sling 2.0, it has an oversized tab to help you pull your bag around from the sling position to the forward position so you can get access to your main pocket and your Ccw pocket. As always, we're training with an empty chamber and an empty mag. the Vertx Transit Sling 2.0. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop a comment. Make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram at I'm Into That. This is David, and I'm into that.